Let me make general discussion. Let us say I want to take a new SIM card. I went to Airtel showroom. I want to take a new SIM card. First they ask me, boss, are you willing to take what type of service you are looking for? Are you looking for a prepaid service, postpaid service, data service? If you tell me what type of service you are looking, then I will tell you what packages I have. First you tell me what type of service you are looking for. Is it a prepaid, postpaid, or you are looking for a data service? If you tell me what type of service you are looking for, then I will tell you available packages on this. Am I right? Right. Now let us say I told I was looking for a postpaid connection. Then they told there are different packages. Let me give you just a general idea, making more general to get the concept right. So they are given they give local calls, some STD calls. Now, this Airtel for all the postpaid customers, it is giving all these services. But out of these service, depends upon your requirement, you will take a package. Because Airtel is giving all the type of services, I will not choose everything. Now, what is your business? What is your business? What type of calls you are going to make? What type of activities you are going to make? Depends upon that, you will choose a package. Now, let us say they have given some 99 rupees package. Try to understand. Some 199, 399 and 799. This is what they told. Now they told boss on these local calls, and they told they'll give 5 SMS or 10 SMS per month. Now if you are choosing this package, they told local calls, unlimited local, unlimited STD, but they told 1 hour free calls, then they'll charge for STD. SMS they told 60 SMS they give you. Data they told 1 GB data per month. Now depends upon the package what is available. Now we had other package where they told unlimited STD, okay, locals, unlimited STD. Then right. Now, this is what they told. Boss, I was ready to offer every service, but every customer may or may not need it. Now, I want to take a postpaid connection for my front office, where I want my admin people to receive the calls. I don't want them to make a call from this number. I want a number only to receive the calls. Then why would I spend 799 rupees? I will go with 99 rupees package. That is my business requirement. I want a number for my for my office where I want only incoming calls. I don't want to make any outgoing calls. I'll go with 99. Now I want to run my USID staffing. Now I make number of ISD calls. So I look for the package which contain ISD calls. So depends upon your requirement, you are supposed to choose the package. Now when I choose 99 rupees package, doesn't mean Airtel will not provide ISD. Airtel is providing ISD, you are not interested to take it. Are you getting? What are the services the Salesforce is offering you? Out of that, According to your business, what are the services you need? Based on that, you will decide what edition you have to take. Now, I require a postpaid. According to me, I make a lot of local calls and STD calls. Then I will choose unlimited local, unlimited STD. 399 rupees package will be suitable to me. Now, what Airtel is offering, according to your business, what are the services you need? Then you will check which is the best package for you. You will choose it. Similarly, Salesforce is offering you different editions. Here you are calling as package. In the Salesforce, I am calling as edition. Here you are calling as package. In the Salesforce, we are calling as edition. Salesforce is offering different types of editions as per your business requirement. Understand which edition is more suitable to you and take that edition. Depends upon the package you have chosen, price is changing. Not every customer will take 799 rupees package. Not every customer will take 99 rupees package. Whichever is right. Online people, please mute your mics. Do not interrupt the class. Please mute your mics. Right. Now, not every customer is happy with 99. Not every customer is happy to go with 799. Now, what is your business model? According to your business model, what are the services you need? Now, these services are available in which edition and what is the cheaper price I can get? So this I have to decide. This what is called editions. Here we are calling as packages. There in the Salesforce, I name it as editions. So what is a edition? What is the edition? Edition will specify on your environment, what Salesforce is offering you. Now, Salesforce is offering a lot of services. Out of those, which services you want on your environment? When you take a force.com, on the top of the force.com, which features you want? On the top of force.com, which features you want? On the top of force.com, which features you want? That we are supposed to decide based on the edition. Your edition will tell you what set of features are offered by the Salesforce on your environment. Again, I repeat, editions will specify you what set of features are offered by the Salesforce on your environment. Now, what editions are available? The editions which are available will be changing from cloud to cloud. In the Airtel I told, they ask you whether it's a prepaid or postpaid or data service. Similarly, when you go to the Salesforce, they will ask you, boss, on which cloud you want. First you decide which cloud you need. Do you need a sales cloud? Do you need a service cloud? Marketing cloud? Force.com cloud? Commerce cloud? Which cloud are you looking for? Or the combination of these? Based on the cloud what you are choosing, I will tell you the list of editions which are available. Out of that, you decide which is more which will be apting to your requirement. I hope you are good with this. Right. So once again, I'll give you quickly editions. Editions will specify what Salesforce is going to offer, is offering on your force.com instance. Basically production, because we are going to purchase what? Production first. Edition will specify what Salesforce is offering you on your force.com instance, which is a production. Editions are classified based on the cloud, based on the clouds you have chosen. Or you can say editions will change. Generally, generally, what are the editions we have? Let us go with a sales cloud or a service cloud or a marketing cloud. I tell you, the major clouds where the customers are working is the sales cloud and service cloud. The rest all is some add-ons we can see. Now, let us discuss in terms of sales cloud and service cloud. What is a sales cloud? What is a sales cloud? It is a CRM application developed by Salesforce to automate end-to-end process of sales process on the cloud. It is a CRM application developed by the Salesforce on the cloud to automate end-to-end process of sales operation. Now we are going with the sales cloud. If you look at this, sales cloud, Salesforce Essential, Lightning Professional, Lightning Enterprise, Lightning Unlimited. Even if you go to Service Cloud also, you find the same. The name of the editions are same. Salesforce Essential, Lightning Professional, Lightning Enterprise, Lightning Unlimited. Right. We will discuss in detail about this. What is the Salesforce Essential? This will give you basic CRM application. This will give you basic level CRM application to automate your sales, or basic service cloud application to automate your sales service process. It will give you only basic. Maximum 5 users can log in and work. How many employees can log in at a time? At max 5 users can log in and work. They are going to offer you very basic level CRM application. They are offering you basic level CRM application to automate your process. You will not be getting any programmatical interface. You cannot increase the number of users. Maximum only 5 users can work on it. Limited space. But any small scale organization who just want a basic level CRM, they can go with this. So basically it is designed for small scale organizations who want out of box CRM to automate their sales operation. The basic level of out of box CRM to automate their sales operation. Right. What is the price? They charge $25 per user per month. They charge $25 per user per month. Maximum how many number of users can work? 5 users. Then we have Lightning Professional. This is designed for those organizations who need complete CRM application with both declarative capabilities. Any number of users can log in and work. The team of any size can log in and work, but they will not have programmatical approaches. You cannot customize your application with web services or Apex programming. When you say Lightning Professional, you can do whatever you need, all type of customization that is possible with the declarative, but you cannot write Apex programming or web service. You have complete CRM application. You get complete CRM application with complete declarative capabilities, but you will not be getting access on Apex programming and web services. Now, how many people can work? Any size. Team of any size can work. Team of any size can work. The price is going to be $75 per user per month. Now, Lightning Enterprise. This is the general edition that everybody use. Now, this is a CRM application where you get declarative capabilities, programmatical capabilities. You get both declarative and programmatical approach. This is the environment. This provides you complete CRM application with both declarative programmatical capabilities. Anybody want to write a program and modify the application, minimum you have to take Enterprise Edition. If anybody want to write a program, modify the application, minimum what you need is enterprise application. Minimum what you need is enterprise application. I hope you are good with this. Clear for everyone? Okay. Next, Lightning Unlimited. So it is a complete CRM application with online support, toll-free support, and 300 plus admin options. Now look at this. Listen to the format. In this also, in all these, we are getting SMS service, right? But what is the difference between this? Here we are getting only 10, we are getting 60, we are getting unlimited. Here also we are getting data, 1 GB, 10 GB, unlimited. Service is available to you, but the limits are going to be different. The same story happens with the enterprise and unlimited. In the unlimited number of applications we can create. In the unlimited, I can go up to 800 fields, and I have 300 plus admin options. So limits are going to be higher in the unlimited application. When you go to unlimited edition, limits are going to be more. Almost every service you get in enterprise is available in unlimited. Everything that is there in unlimited is available in enterprise except few of the options. Major 90% of the options are there. But why the price is so high? Limits are going to be higher. The limits are going to be very high. Are you getting my point? Right. For your understanding purpose, let me compare the story. Now look at this. Now go with the enterprise unlimited. We generally don't use essential and professional, very small scale companies. When you get into any MNC, minimum you are going to work with enterprise or unlimited. We don't work with enterprise, essential and professional. It's very small scale companies. They don't hire the developers, because they don't have the features of development on their account. So you are going to use enterprise or unlimited. Compare this. Enterprise and unlimited. Features are same. Here one is knowledge base. It is available on unlimited, built in, but here we have to pay the money and take it. Now, if you look at the other one, live agent, you are going for it. Otherwise, almost everything is same. If you go to this, Developer Pro Sandbox, here we are going to get extra sandboxes, here we are going to purchase it. Then, unlimited online training, for here we are going to get free of cost, here is a paid one. Right. Next, 24/7, toll-free support, developer support, configuration service, access to accelerator. All these are paid service, here we are going to get. Otherwise, apart from the 7, almost everything is same. Apart from the 7, everything is same. But limits are going to be different. So basically, what this edition speaks about, edition will tell about what are the list of services that are offered to you on your environment. When you say Force.com, so many features are there. Out of all of those, which are available for your company, that is decided by your edition. Based on the edition what you purchased, corresponding services will be enabled. If you are a small scale company, go for your Lightning Essential. Now you need a complete CRM with the declarative capabilities, Lightning Professional. You want with the programmatical capabilities, go for Lightning Enterprise. You want 24/7, toll-free support, online training, Developer Pro Sandboxes, developer support, you go for unlimited. It has more limits. I hope you are good. Generally, we are going to work on enterprise or unlimited. I hope you got my point. So let me put all these things. Lightning Essential. This is the lowest edition available. This edition is designed for those organizations who need basic out of box CRM to automate their sales process. Maximum 5 users can log in. Maximum 5 users can log in. Price $25 per user. The prices can be negotiated, depends upon the number of licenses what you take. I brought the enterprise edition for almost $95. The price says it's $150. I almost got for $90. Okay. Lightning Essential, Lightning Professional. This edition is suitable those organizations who need complete CRM application, team of any size can work on it. We get complete declarative capabilities, along with Visual Force pages. Apex development is not supported. Apex based development is not supported on this edition. Lightning Essential, Lightning Professional. Generally, 99.99% you will not work on these editions. When you join any MNC, you never touch these editions. What we are going to work is Lightning Enterprise, Lightning Unlimited. Lightning Enterprise, this is most popular. This edition is those organizations who need access to both declarative and programmatic interface. We can customize price, Lightning Unlimited. Those organizations who need access to both declarative and programmatical interface. This edition is suitable to those organizations who need access to both declarative and programmatical interface with additional limits. Unlimited applications. In this edition, you get 24/7 toll-free support, free online this type of. So this is how we are going to get. Our core aim is to understand. Edition will specify what features will be provided from the cloud. When I say Sales Cloud, there are number of options in the Sales Cloud application. Sales Cloud application has number of features, number of options. Out of all of those, which features are enabled for your organization is decided by the edition. When I say Service Cloud, lot of options and lot of features will be available. Out of those, okay, what are enabled for your organization is decided by edition. Edition will decide what set of features are provided from the cloud on your environment. Right, boss? I hope you are good with this. Okay. Now, number of sandboxes, what you are going to get is also decided by the edition you are taking. Number of sandboxes, what we are going to get is also decided by the sandbox. Sorry, is decided by the edition. Now look at this. Edition will decide number of free sandboxes. Now look at this. Edition. Partial copy. So depends upon the edition what you have taken, you get the corresponding sandbox. These sandboxes will come at free of cost. So if you are taking Enterprise Edition, $25 per sandboxes, one partial copy. We go with Unlimited. Get $100 per sandboxes, $5 per pro. If you go with a combination of Sales Cloud and Service Cloud. Now this is individual cloud. I am taking only one Sales Cloud. I am taking only Service Cloud. If somebody take a combination of Sales Cloud plus Service Cloud, it is called performance. Then also you get right. Now, if you want any extra sandboxes, you can purchase. They will come along with the edition of free of cost. They are coming along with the edition as free of cost. If you want any extra sandboxes, you can purchase. So what was that? Based on the requirement. You cannot purchase developer sandbox. It will come as add-on with other sandbox. Like I have taken. If you purchase one developer pro, you cannot purchase a developer sandbox directly. If you purchase one developer pro, they will provide you one developer pro sandbox with the 5 developer sandboxes. If you purchase one developer pro, they give a add-on of 5 developer sandboxes. Similarly, if you go with one partial copy, add-on of 10 developer sandbox. One full sandbox, add-on is 15 developer sandboxes. So based on the edition, you are going to get some sandboxes as built-in, free of cost. Apart from those sandboxes, if you want any additional sandboxes, you are supposed to purchase. Based on the edition what we purchased, we are going to get some sandboxes at free of cost. Apart from that, if you want any extra sandboxes, we are supposed to purchase. You cannot purchase developer sandbox directly. The developer sandbox will come as add-on with other set of sandboxes. As I told you, one developer sandbox, one developer pro sandbox will give you 5 developer sandboxes extra. One partial copy will give you 10 developer sandboxes. One full sandbox, if you purchase, they give you 15 developer sandbox as an add-on. I hope you are good with this. Okay. Now, at the end of the game, we don't purchase environments and sandboxes. Environments are editions. What we are going to purchase from the Salesforce is license. We are only going to purchase license. But when you want to purchase a license, they will ask you which cloud, which edition, then which license. Price will be for license. They don't charge for environment. They don't charge for edition. They charge you for license. You want sales, okay, what license you need, on which edition you need. According to that, price will be there. Now what we are supposed to understand now is what is a license. What we are supposed to understand is what is a license, how it is going to impact this process. Any query up to editions? I hope you are good with this. Yes, Amma.
How much it will be for an extra sandbox?
1 minute pause. Online, 1 minute. Apart from, see, force.com is the environment which has multiple capabilities. On the force.com, we can have Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, e-commerce cloud, XYZ. What you are looking for? First, you told you are looking for a Sales Cloud. In the Sales Cloud, thousands of features are there. Now, is your company want all the features or only a few? Now, as per that, you have to choose the edition. Because when I say Sales Cloud, within the Sales Cloud, there are a lot of features are there. Now, I have a opportunity management, code management, Google Drive integration, Google Suite integration, G Suite integration, Web to Lead. There are a lot of functionalities. Do you need all of them? When I don't need all of them, why should I pay complete amount? That's how the prices are classified, depends upon the features what you have. Right? Yes, online, you're asking 1 minute. Online, go ahead with your query.
No, I got it. Thank you.
Yeah. What is your query, Amma? Now, Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, combination of this cloud. Okay. Oh yeah, common. Yeah. License is different. We'll discuss about the license. Okay. Declarative means without programming, whatever that is possible is called declarative. Right. So this is only addition what we discussed. I hope you are good with this. Everyone is good with this? Yes. See, you are purchasing a production. From production only sandbox will be there. Whatever is there in the production, that you get on sandbox. Now, when you purchase, you are purchasing a production. Okay, whatever that is there in the production, when you create a sandbox, you come to sandbox. So we don't specifically purchase sandbox for Sales Cloud. We purchase for your org. Production you purchase. On the production, you have a choice to create a sandbox. Whatever the features are there in the production, everything will come to sandbox. I told sandbox is an identical copy of production. Whatever the features are there in the production, they will come to sandbox. Separately on the sandbox, you will not get anything. Whatever the options and features are there on your production, only those will come to your sandbox. That depends upon your requirement. CRM only. CRM. See, now a basic example. All of you are using a Gmail, right? All of you are using a Gmail. Now we have a corporate Gmail, we have a regular Gmail. Now what you people are using a regular Gmail. Now what I was using a corporate Gmail. There are a lot of different features available. All of you are using a home basic edition of Excel. I'm using enterprise financial Excel sheet. I have a lot of formulas and calculations and performance tracking in the Excel sheet, which you don't get on your home edition. Right? Now the features will depend upon the price. Like you are taking a Google Drive, you pay 130 rupees, you get 5 GB. You pay 300 rupees, you get 10 TB. Now based on the price, obviously features will change, right? Okay. Now let us get into the next part. Yes, Amma, go ahead. Pardon me. Community cloud licenses will be different. Licenses will be different. Customer community, partner community, and some other. Okay, employee community. Okay. Now this communities, okay, charters, Einstein, all these are on the top of Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud. Okay. Now let us come back. So I don't want to dig too much in the first class itself and verify you. Whatever that you can understand at this level, I'm just putting it right. Now let us come back to the next point, license. Let us discuss about the license. Now, as a Salesforce, people have to understand one major point. The major point is we have declarative and programmatical. I was discussing from the demo Salesforce CRM force.com. Am I right? Now, we are Salesforce, you need to look at two specifications. When you are purchasing anything from the Salesforce, are you taking the applications which are developed by the Salesforce? And are you taking the environment to develop your own applications or modify the existing application? What are you taking? Are you taking the applications developed by the Salesforce, or you are not taking the application developed by Salesforce? Now, if you are taking the applications developed by Salesforce, where will they run? Force.com. Force.com plus applications what you are taking. No, I don't want your applications. I don't want the applications developed by Salesforce. I want to build my own applications. In that case, what you are going to get? What you are going to get? Only force.com. So finally, our story is very simple. What was that? What are you looking for? Are you looking for a CRM and Force.com, or are you looking for only Force.com? You are not happy with application what Salesforce developed. You want to design your own application, only Force.com is sufficient. You are happy to use the applications developed by the Salesforce, Force.com plus CRM. That's what is the nature. Now there are so many licenses, but the major players are Salesforce and Salesforce platform. So let me give you a simplified example. Let us say it is your production environment. In the production, I have 4 applications. Now, this is a Sales Cloud application. Who designed this Sales Cloud application? It was developed by Salesforce. I have Service Cloud application developed by Salesforce. Now I have created a loan management application. It is created by my company. According to my company, I have created a loan management app. Credit card management app. It is also developed by my company. It is not developed by Salesforce. My company has developed it. Then I have knowledge app. This is my production. In the production, I have some applications developed by the Salesforce, some developed by my company, some other applications which are built in. Now, I have a guy. This guy, he has purchased name of, okay, license, Salesforce license. What is the name of the license he purchased? Salesforce. If any guy purchase Salesforce license, he will have access to CRM applications developed by Salesforce and the Force.com. Where are your applications developed? On the Force.com. Plus knowledge, plus. So this guy can access everything. Force.com and CRM applications developed by Salesforce. Now I have one more user. This guy purchased Salesforce platform license. Salesforce platform license. When you say Salesforce platform license, this guy don't want CRM applications developed by Salesforce. You don't want the CRM applications developed by Salesforce. You only want the Force.com. Now, he will not get access to CRM applications developed by Salesforce. He only get the access to the applications what his company has developed. He will not get access to CRM. You only get Force.com. So anybody who is purchasing a Salesforce license, they get what? CRM plus. If anybody is purchasing a Salesforce platform license, only Force.com. Now let us take, I have one more user. Now this guy, he don't want Force.com, he don't want Salesforce CRM. Okay, he want only one application called Knowledge App. Only this application you need. So he takes only knowledge only user. He take only knowledge only user license. I have one more user. You don't want a CRM, you don't want Force.com, you don't want knowledge app, you want to work with the communities. This guy want to work with only communities. When this guy want only communities, you will purchase a community user license. There are some categories in the communities. Community only, customer community plus couple of categories are there. So at the end of the game, what license is saying? What license is saying? On your organization, some features are enabled based on the cloud what you have taken, based on the edition what you have taken. Some features are there on your application. Out of those, what user can work? Now, your company has purchased. Let us take an example. I went to a Taj Krishna. In the Taj Krishna, there are some rooms, suite rooms, luxury rooms, dining area, party area, swimming pool, X, Y, Z. Now, I went there to have a lunch. I will not be allowed to get into rooms. I will not be allowed to get into swimming area. I will not be allowed to get into the spa area. Now, what was that? Taj Krishna is an application. It is a organization in which based on the requirement they have built all their functionalities. Now when a Satish enters this Taj Krishna, what he is allowed to use, what he is allowed to work, what he is allowed to use, that is decided by license. Now some other person who has taken a suite room, when he enters the Taj Krishna, he can access everything in the Taj Krishna. But when I enter, I was restricted to use only certain features. Right? Now what was that? Depends upon the license what you purchased, you will get in. Depends upon the license what you purchased, you will be allowed to access. Now let us take another example. We have a movie theater. Somebody has purchased a platinum ticket. Somebody has purchased a gold ticket. Somebody has purchased a silver. Same movie theater, same movie, but based on the ticket what you purchased, your amenities are changing. Okay, and your treatment is changing. But you are entering into the same theater. If you take a platinum ticket, they are giving a recliner, they are serving you some snacks. When you take a gold ticket, they are only offering you regular seat with a snack. When you go to a silver, they only offer you a seat. Now what is that? Same movie, same theater. When you get into the theater, depends upon the type of ticket what you purchased, your amenities are changing. Similarly, your organization is same. Features in the organizations are same. When a user log in, what he can see, what he can work is decided by license what he purchased. Every employee is not allowed to do everything. Every employee will not be allowed to do everything. So what you want this employee to work on? When you recruit any employee, you say, I am recruiting this guy to work on credit card application. I am recruiting this guy to work on the sales application. Then according to the requirement, you decide what license you have to give to this guy. License will tell what a user is going to get. Edition is going to tell what your company is going to get. I hope you are good with this. We'll discuss in detail. First, let me finish off this basic idea. We take a combination, make the combination of all the three, understand what exactly the structure is. Right. Now we have seen three individual points. The combination, I will work it out, but try to understand the points. So, license. License will specify what set of basic features user will get. Every user need one license, log into Salesforce. If anybody want to log into Salesforce, you require a license. Anybody who want to work with the Salesforce, they are supposed to have one license. First, Salesforce. This license is designed for those users who need access CRM user with this license can access CRM applications. Next we have Salesforce platform is designed for those users who need access to only force.com environment. Users with this license cannot access CRM applications developed by Salesforce. These licenses are designed for those users who want to log into the communities and make self-service. There are different category of licenses we'll discuss later. I am only giving the core main licenses. Salesforce, Salesforce platform. This license is designed for those users who need access to only knowledge app. This license is designed for those users who need access to only knowledge application. Right, boss? We just looked at these three terms individually. Don't combine them. I'll make this combination in the next class. Don't combine them and make yourself confused. Look at these three topics as independent. In the next class, I'll make a combination and tell what exactly we are going to get. Right now, environment means either a production or sandbox. When you say edition, what set of features will be coming to your company? License means for every user, we require one license. Okay, when a user log in, what he is going to see, what he can work is a license. Now, how the Salesforce is going to create your environment, we'll discuss in the next class. I hope this is clear for everyone. Am I clear? So basically, the more popularity is Sales Cloud, Service Cloud combination. Right, boss? Any other queries from your end as of now? Any other queries from your end? Classroom, any queries from your end? Right. So, yes, Amma, last. Come again. Exactly. Client will purchase it. Why we are? I didn't get it. Come again. See, if you are ICICI Bank, that's what I told I'll discuss tomorrow. who is going to do what. Let us say, as you ask me, I'll just give an overview. ICICI Bank want a sales application. They want to sell their credit cards, or they want to sell their loans, or they want to sell their insurance. ICICI Lombardia insurance, they want to sell it. Now their mode of business is selling their demat accounts, or selling their credit cards, or selling XYZ. They want a sales application. These people will go to a Salesforce company. They'll approach Salesforce company to say, we are looking for a cloud-based CRM application. Now, depends upon the, please, quiet ma. Right. Depends upon the size of the application, Salesforce will specify the edition. Then the Salesforce told you take unlimited edition because you have a number of applications running. So the Salesforce told you take unlimited edition. Okay. Then they are going to provide production with the unlimited edition. Now they provided an environment, but at the end of the game, who has to log in? Staff of ICICI Bank has to log in. They have a number of clerks, number of managers, number of other people. Now if they want to log in, they require license. Now Salesforce company will not charge the money for environment. They will charge for license. Now I don't want to make it complex. That's why I'll give it a next. People, I let the people have theoretical view. I'll take a combination. Now if I start explaining, whatever you learn now, it will vanish. Okay. Yeah. Right. Yes. Any other query? Yes, Amma? Yeah. Based on the edition, you will get it. See, now you came to a movie theater and I gave you 25 tickets. Now if I give you 25 tickets, you go to the theater and watch 25 times? No, right? Now you will decide to whom you want to give. Now I am giving a production with a 25 sandbox. Now for which developer you want to create? Now you want a developer to work. You will create one sandbox and give him. You want a tester to work. Now you have capability of 25 sandboxes. Now you decide to whom you want to give. Now I have a production with 25 sandboxes. I will create a sandbox whenever I want. I'll give to developer. I gave you, your work is done. I'll delete your sandbox. I'll reassign to someone else. Got it? Yes.